K-170. Razordon. Pretty cool little helicopter. Very detailed. Look at that thing. All right, we've got ourselves this UH-60L Black Hawk. Cute little thing from Razordon they sent me for me to take a look at. Show you what it's about. So let's open it. All right, we've got a helipad instructions. Okay, got the little stand for putting that in your desk. Assemble that. You got your charger, USB charger, spare blades, spare gear, tail rotor, stuff like that. Not much to this little thing. Oh man, that's itty bitty. That'll be cool to fly this thing. It's so small. Looks like it's got lights. That's amazing. For $100, under $100, you get all this stuff. So we're gonna check all of this out. It is really pretty impressive little thing. Anxious to play with it. Not much to it. I mean, this is it. You know, that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else in there. So we're gonna get this thing all charged up, put some batteries in the transmitter, read the instructions a little bit, probably not too much, and then fly this thing, show it off. I mean, for under $100, this thing flies as good as it looks. Otherwise, yeah, you just put it on your desk. It's pretty impressive. All right, let's charge up some batteries, learn how to fly it, and get after it. I was wondering where the battery is on this little thing. Well, look at that. Boy, this thing is itty bitty. You got yourself a nice little 800 milliamp battery, single cell. Slides right in. Standard, these type of plane/helicopter kind of connectors. And that's it. This little guy right here is the documentation on how to correctly install and uninstall this piece, which was awful nice of them to include that. So, all right, we're gonna get that put together, get it charged, and take it out. And get her up. Little hover's pretty good. All right, let's fly it around. It's zippy. All right, let's try to fly a little slower. It's kind of easy. Stay out of the sun. Now, trying to get it to fly just level is a little bit of a challenge. It seems like it's off a little bit. Right here, I think it's fine. I think the wind is coming in and kind of messing with it a little bit. Definitely we got some wind now coming in. This thing's not gonna like that. Let's bring her in for a landing here. Okay, here we go. Bottom line for me is it's a fun helicopter. This is my first experience with a helicopter. So Razordon sent it to me, told them, hey, I don't know anything about it. They sent it to me anyway as a beginner. Fun, you know, and it looks cool. Who doesn't like the Blackhawk? So bottom line is I think it is a very fun, capable helicopter for a beginner to learn how to do this stuff. There is a link in the description below if you're so inclined to get one. Have a great day.